Alright, our next video is we're going to just put in a Facebook icon over here just to show you that it can be done. Um, so here we go. At the moment we've just got this text, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to grab this, I'm going to copy it across into my ImageWrite. Okay, and I also need to change the image. Okay, at the moment I've got Interflora in there, so if I go back over here, you can see I've got my Interflora image. I'm going to change that to a Facebook image. Okay, so this is where I'm just going to quickly go into here. I'm going to browse. I'm going to choose my Facebook image. My issue is it's 200 by 200. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that in, see what happens. See, so it's huge. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually do what I did earlier. I'm just going to change the size of it in the height. Okay, so I'm going to put in the height equals which is 70 pixels, and again, and the width, I do 70 pixels again. I'm going to see what that looks like now. Hopefully that looks a little bit better. There we go. It's just an image in there. So also what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a little bit of padding around that, because as you can see, it's kind of sitting sort of to the left of this area. Okay, so I'm just going to put some padding in, and I need to put that into the box. So I'm just going to put in padding. I'm just going to put in 20 around the top, 20 around the right, the bottom, and the left. Okay, so I'm hoping that that's throwing things out. Okay, so you can see what's happened. It's kind of gone from this area. Okay, and it's because I put the padding around. The padding is kind of just inside the box. Um, it's that 10% is kind of it's too much. So including that 70 pixels width and the 20 there and the 20 there, it's too big for this area here. So there's a little bit of coding which we can add into here, which is called box sizing. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to just choose box sizing border box. And now what this does, it just basically takes into account the padding. I'm hoping that's working. There you go. So you can see that just by using this little bit of code, it's in, I'm just keep going to quick edit, but it's actually in the style sheet, okay, within the ImageWrite class. Okay, I put the box size and I've just written this, and what that actually does, it just says, even though you put padding around it, will include that within that 10%. Okay, it just means that I just wanted to show you that as a teaching point, really, because obviously if you're doing things and if things start moving out, you can use that. Um, you can adapt your size of your images or whatever, but that just includes that in any particular point there as well. So I've left that at 10%. So the other one, I think, yeah, we've left it. I mean, we could have sort of changed it to auto as well, and that to auto. But it's just another way of doing something, which maybe if you wanted to fit things in. All right, so hopefully that makes sense to you, and give that a go as well.